All right, this is the follow-up for that 2004 Land Rover we did that had the failed ignition, or failed steering lock. So we've got our steering lock emulator, and now we're going to install it. And
It needs an engine, I can tell already.
oh yeah, he tried to start it, but it wouldn't start. Yeah.
I can hear the bottom end.
Ah, shit. So remember we came out and car wouldn't start because with these, what happens is steering lock goes, you'll get in, you'll program the key, it'll start, awesome, I'm done. Customer gets in and start, it won't start. It's only going to start if you unhook the battery and hook it back up. So what my customer did here, just to find out, he put a disconnect on his battery, so every time he wants to start it, he can get in and start it up. So you see, we started it once, take it back out, it's not going to start again. All right, so what we got to do is remove the clamshell and put on our steering lock emulator, and hopefully the seat goes back. All right, we got this ugly bald-headed dude that you never really get to see the back of his head, but he is the one that actually filmed most of your videos you're watching on here, and he's pulling off the bottom of this steering column, and then he's going to go to the other side, and I will open the door for you. All right, so you see our steering lock is right here, and there's our, yeah, thank you. There's our cable right there. So what we're going to want to do is take that off. Yeah, hold that for me. My assistant's going to hold that for me. So we're going to take that off, and then to finish this job, what we're going to do is plug that in like so. All right, so now, remember this car was not starting. Battery on. Now this car is started. Literally, that's a plug and play system. When you have power, it does have a little light on it. So there you go.